Hi everyone, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Just took a little quick trip out into the garden between the rain, and this is my soil mixing pot. And apparently I inherited a visitor. My little visitor is called, he ran all over my head because I didn't realize it was here. I was just grabbing some soil and added it to one of my linear palms because the rain washed my soil away and gave me a bunch of weeds, so I had to redo something. And as I saw my hand, I feel this thing running across my hand and knew where it was. And it's this little dog. It's about 4 inches long. He will be about 2 inches longer. He's commonly referred to as a curly-tailed lizard. And if you see one of these darlings in your neighborhood, you can find that his main diet is those little lizards that are smaller than him. I think he eats most of them. When you see one of these guys, you're going to see a shortage of your regular lizards that are running in the neighborhood. But let me just shake him up a little bit here. Hey, what's doing? What's doing? He likes to run around. Let me just get him over. See, he can't get out. Apparently, a little too sensitive, the little dog. Let's see, get over here. I don't want to tease him. I'm just going to listen and let him run around a little bit. Just say hello. And there he is. He's got his tail in the water. He's just trying to figure out how the hell am I going to get away from this bozo with the camera. And too bad the little guys aren't here today, but you can see he's breathing heavy, but that's not normal. Excuse me, not normal. This probably is normal for him because you see that just below his head is chest area heaving in and out. So he's just breathing and he's looking at me. He's trying to figure, is he a predator or am I a predator? Let me see if I can get him out of here. What I'm going to probably do is just try and catch him in a cup somehow. Let's see if I can get him over here. Take a little cup. We'll see if we give him a little break and put him back on the food chain. So let's see. See, he's not too happy. But that's the only way he's going to get out is through Marty letting him get out. There you go. Now see? Now, he's in here. Let's get a closer look at him. Seems to be a nice friendly little dude. So we'll just get him over here. Just, let's see. He knows he can't get out through the holes, so he's got to come out this way, so I'll just back him on. Come on. There we are. Now we're pals again. See? My little friend. Let's get something on his nose. Got a little piece of lint on his nose, but he's free again. And you can see him, his tail is starting to grow back. Apparently something, bird or something, probably saw him as a diet item and just grabbed him. So he's a little in shock yet that he got out, so I'll just let him go about his business and just go back to normal. See, this is the little early part of his his tail. He gets a little thing. See, there he goes now. He's going to take off and hide over there. I'll see you later. And he's relatively small compared to some of the ones you normally see. All right, thank you for visiting the Dougherty Garden. Take care.